Morning class. Hope all of you are well at home and gone through all the chapters whichever we have discussed before, and whatever information I have given, which question answers chapters you have to write on the copy, hopefully you have written down. Now today we will start new chapter, that is United Nations. Some information about United Nations has given in this chapter, so we'll just read and learn something from there. Clear? So the first one is that when was the United Nations founded? It was first founded in 1945 after the First World War II. Clear? 1945. What is that then? Number one, 1945 after World War II. World War II. Okay. Why was it formed? Why the United Nations has formed? To maintain the international peace and solve the international economic, social and humanitarian problems. What is that? To maintain the peace and solve all the problems international, like economic, social, okay, humanitarian, all these problems to be solved, so that it is formed. Okay, so you will write like that. How many countries were there when it was founded? When it was founded, how many countries were there? Actually, it's 51 countries are there. What does UNICEF stand for? You have to write the full form. United Nations Children's Emergency Fund. What is the full form of UNICEF? United Nations Children's Emergency Fund. Clear? What does UNEP stand for? That is also the full form you have to learn. What is that? United Nations Environment Program. United Nations Environment Program. So the full form of UNICEF you have to learn. UNICEF you have to learn. Is it? And the full form of UNEP also you have to learn. Number 6. Is India a member of the United Nations? Yes. India is also a member of this. When is Human Rights Day celebrated every year? It is 10th December. Every year 10th December actually United Nations Human Rights Day has celebrated. Okay. 10th December every year. Where is the headquarter of United Nations Commission on Human Rights located? Where it is? It is actually Rolassis Kolsok building in Geneva. It is in Switzerland, Geneva. Clear? How many official languages that the United Nations has actually used? Totally 6. What are those? Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. How many are there then? 6. Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. The United Nations has its own postal system. True or false? Yes, it is having its own postal system. So only 10 are there. You just write down in the copy. Just write down in the copy and learn it. After that you see one URL is there. It's already given. So what you have to do, you just check out what informations about United Nations has given on that link. Okay, and write 6 sentences about it. That is your homework at home. You will write down in your copy. But just this link you type in your mobile phone and learn that what is actually there about United Nations. And from there 6 sentences you will write in your copy. Clear? This is your homework. So just write down this. Hopefully it will be easy for you to understand. Just go through the chapter. Till then, thank you class.